Next, so let's go to the trigonometric identities. So, ayan. So, una is the reciprocal identities wherein yung sine and cosine and tangent na mga trigonometric functions ay reciprocal ng cosecant, secant, at ng cotangent ng angle theta respectively. And then, ito ngayon, nabanggit natin kanina na definition ng cosecant, secant, at ng cotangent ng angle. So, na-introduce na rin natin yung isa sa mga quotient identities. We have the tangent theta is equal to sin theta over cosine theta. And then, yung kanyang reciprocal na cotangent theta ay kabaligtaran lang po, naging cosine theta over sin theta. Now, pagdating naman dito, we also have the other identities. So, we have the Pythagorean identities. Sin squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. So, actually, itong mga to was derived based on the Pythagorean theorem. Ayan. Then, we also have 1 plus tangent squared theta is equal to secant squared theta. And then, we have 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equal to, tama ba? Cosecant squared. Wait lang. Divide mo lang sa, okay, tama lang. Okay? And then, we also have the even odd identities wherein, depende po sa sign nung angle na, for example, negative. So, ano magiging epekto niya dun sa mga trigonometric functions? And as we can see, so wala pong magiging epekto yung negative kapag kinuha mo yung cosine at saka yung secant. Then the rest, meron po sila magiging epekto. Okay. So na yun, let's have the complements naman. So here, so ito naman yung kapag kunyari, may pinag-add kang, di ba, yung sa may, pag sinabi mo kasi complements, let's say, this is A and this is B, and then this is the C, ano to? The right angle. The right angle. So, yung A plus B will be equal to 90 degrees. Ayan. So, magiging equal siya dun sa 90 degrees. Ayan. So, kumbaga yung pag pinag-add mo yung theta at saka 90 minus theta, of course, that will result to 90. So, ito po yung mga complement cells. So, take note of that. Okay. So, now let's go to some examples, number 5 and number 6. So, of course, gamit yung mga identities na napakita natin kanina, so we're going to have simplify the following trigonometric functions. So, for number 5, we have sine squared theta, cotangent theta, secant theta. So, dito, ang sikreto lang naman is just go to function na magiging sine at saka cosine. So, in this case, pwede natin gawin, yung cotangent, gawin natin siyang cosine theta divided by sine theta, yung quotient identity. Then, yung second, gamit ang reciprocal. So, ayan. Okay. So, now, we can decide here na yung cosine theta will be cancel out. No? Cancel na siya. Tapos, yung sine squared theta divided by sine theta, so dalawa to. So, isa lang to. So, tagalin lang natin isa. So, ang matitira na lang would become sine theta na lang. Yan. Okay. So, that is for letter A. For letter B, we have, yan naman, ito. Medyo challenging naman to. Okay, 1 plus cotangent x plus, or divided by, 1 plus tangent of x. Ayan. So, in this case, so, ang pwede natin gawin, yung cotangent, gawin natin cosine of x divided by sine of x. Sa baba naman, 1 plus sine x over cosine of x. Ayan. So, ngayon, okay, ipag-add lang natin to. So, it will become, so sige, gawin natin yung 1, gawin natin sine x over sine x plus, yan. So, bakit sine x ang pinili ko dito? Kasi, yung denominator nitong isang to is sin x. So, kaya sinunod lang natin. Then, yung kabila naman, syempre, gawin mong cosine of x over sin x plus, cosine of x pala. So, dahil parehas na po sila ng denominator, so, we can have, so, magiging sin x plus cosine ng x all over sin x. So, ito naman all over cosine of x plus sin x, then all over cosine of x. Sige, so ngayon, ilatag na natin siya na parang i-divide na lang. So, we can have sin x. Yan. Sige, so divided by, yan. So, ngayon, syempre, para magawa natin yung division pagdating sa fraction, reciprocal lang po natin yung divisor. So, dito, ang divisor natin, ito, si cosine x plus sin x over cosine x. Yan. Yan. So, dito, okay, so since we have sin x plus cosine x dito sa kabila, then we also have cosine x plus sin x. Kahit pagbalik-tarin mo pa rin ng pwesto yan, parehas lang yan. So, kaya, pwede natin silang cancel out. Tapos, ang matitira na lang is yung cosine x divided by sin x. Or, that is what? That is cotangent of x. Yan. So, yan po yung sa... Yan. So, that is how we're going to simplify. So, importante dito na magaling tayo pagdating sa algebra. Ayan. Okay. Now, let's go to example number 6. Here, so we are going to prove the following identities. So, kung yan po ay equal sa isa't isa or hindi. So, unahin muna natin yung letter A. So, medyo, dami nangyari dyan. Yan. Yan. So, ngayon, gawin natin, yung nasa baba, pwede nating multiply. So, magiging ano na siya. So, syempre sa taas, ganoon pa rin. Kasi sabi daw, equal siya dapat sa 1 eh. Diba? So, ngayon, so we have this one. Then, ito, i-multiply mo yung second x dito sa may loob ng parenthesis. So, we have second of x times 1, second of x, plus tangent of x, second of x, yan, divided by second of x. So, dito, pwede na natin i-cancel out si second of x. Yan. Tapos, ang matitira na lang is so, tangent of x na lang. Wherein, kapag pinagbaliktad mo naman to, let's say, ginawa mo namang second of x plus tangent of x yung numerator, it will be the same. So, ibig sabihin, okay, tama lang po na ito ay equal. So, equal po yan, no? So, okay. So, equal siya sa 1. Ayan. Now, for letter B, we have okay. So, cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta equals 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Ayan. So, ngayon, ang gawin lang natin, pwede natin gawin siguro, since kailangan ito, maging ganito siya. So, yung cosine squared, gawin natin siyang in terms of sine squared. So, para magawa natin yan, okay, balikan natin yung tungkol dun sa cosine squared theta, o yung Pythagorean identity. O, kunin natin yung magiging cosine squared dyan. So, it will become equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. And then from that, so, yung cosine squared theta magiging 1 minus sine squared theta na siya. And then, of course, kunin mo lang yung magiging difference. Siyempre, we have 1 minus sine, negative sine squared theta minus sine squared theta. It will become negative 2 sine squared theta. Yan. So, nag-match na po sila. So, tama lang. Okay? So, we have this trigonometric identities.